How to use Khan Academy for the first time. New to the Khan Academy app, in this video I will show you how to get started in just a few minutes. Perfect for students, parents or anyone wanting to learn for free. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and simply download or install the app just like this. After that, open it and simply sign up. You can sign up with Google, Apple or email. If you already have an account, just log in. Now choose what you want to learn. Now tap on to explore just right here. Now from here you can simply learn math, science, SAT, preparation and more. Khan Academy will personalize your learning journey. Now tap a topic just like this. Then select a lesson just like this. And you will get short videos, practice problems and quizzes to track your progress. And that's it. You are now ready to start learning anytime, anywhere for free. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.